Hello, scientists! Today we are studying
and we are investigating whether or not temperature will affect the circumference of a balloon. To do our experiment, we needed 20 balloons. We needed a cloth tape measure. And to do that, we need to blow up our 20 balloons. And we will measure them once they are blown up. There we go, blowing them up. So here's one of our blown up balloons. Let's measure it at the widest area to see what their circumference is. Circumference is the distance around an object. Let's see. Okay, this balloon measures 20 inches in circumference. We made sure that when we blew up all these balloons that they all measured 20 inches in circumference. So we decided to keep 10 at room temperature and stick 10 in the freezer to see if the temperature would affect the size and circumference of our balloon. So my trusty assistant,
me.
Go put those other 10 balloons in the freezer and let's let them sit in there for an hour and see if the circumference changes because the temperature is colder. Oh, magical science. It's been an hour. Assistant, bring me a balloon from the freezer. So, scientists, our question is, does temperature affect the mass of an object? Our manipulated variable was the 20 balloons, 10 that we left at room temperature, 10 that we chilled in the freezer. Let's find out what happened. Oh my, look, it looks like the temperature did affect the circumference of a balloon. This balloon is now a ½ inch smaller than it was when it started. So after being an hour in the freezer and chilling at room temperature, it shrank a ½ inch. So we did measure all 20 balloons. And balloons from the freezer, they range from shrinking to 18 inches to 19½ inches, and all of them shrank. The balloons left at room temperature all stayed at 20 inches. So the conclusion to our question, does temperature affect the circumference of a balloon or the mass of an object? The answer is yes, it does.